What we got here is we got JD, we just hooked up on a Kahawai. Just a little rat, but we'll just come out just to get something to eat. We're going to just bloody go onto a beach and have a bit of a cook up. And oh, here he goes. Oh, it's pretty tiny there, Herb. What do you got there? Oh, it's still a...
That's a rat.
That's a little rat, isn't it? Look at it. Hey? And what do we got there? There we go. Just a little rat. But just a little rat. Anyway, welcome back to another episode there, Herb. Oh, Jesus Christ, Herb. What's going on here?
Some swell.
Hey, we've got a bit of bloody swell going on. Might get shipwrecked. Anyway, yeah, we're just bloody gonna... We've just come out, absolutely beautiful day. I shouldn't really have my woolly hat on because it's actually quite hot. So we've just come out, we're just going to have a bit of a troll for a Kahawai, have a bit of a cook up on a beach. We might go and get some oysters. Yeah, just, hey, beach sitting on the couch holding hands, doesn't it, Herb? So joining us, we got Ice, got Herb,
Shit, yeah.
and we got Fluffy over there. Yeah, we're just on to another Kahawai there, Herb. I don't know what it's like. We've got the big fluff there just winding it in. What do you reckon, Fluffy? Feels pretty small. Oh yeah, it's just another little one there. Here he comes down there. I'll bring him around there.
Gotta keep winding.
Keep winding there. What do you reckon, Icy? Hey, you love this shit? You love this shit, don't you? Oh, Jesus, Herb! It's gonna hit the rocks. Hey, a bit shallow there, I'm not watching where I'm going. Yeah. You on that hooked up there, Herb? Is he a little bit better?
Hey, feels a little bit better.
Hey? Yeah. Oh yeah, he's a little bit better, isn't he, Herb? Hey? He's not big, but hey, we'll eat him, won't we? Hey? What do you reckon, Fluffy? Yeah, good shit, yeah. He's a real good live bait, eh? Yeah, but they're even better in my tummy. Did you bring some sauce?
Soy sauce?
Yeah.
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 Sashimi.
Sashimi, yeah. No, it's all good. This is better than holding hands on the couch, isn't it, Fluffy? Hey?
Well, I don't do that anyway.
You don't do that, you're too young, eh? We're going to hit the rock soon in a minute, and that's alright. Yeah, we love doing this, eh, Herb?
Yep.
Yeah. You know, by the end of the week, by Friday, you've absolutely had enough of the chaos, the cars, people, just everything, eh? And you sort of get down here and it's like, oh my God, it's just absolutely paradise, eh? Just beautiful, eh?
Yeah, Herb,
So-
we're out at the rocks.
Hey?
We're out at the rocks.
Oh yeah, that's alright, Herb, doesn't matter. Hey? She's all good. That's what we've got our life jackets on for, Herb. We hit the rocks and sink, we can swim back. Yeah. We used to shoot a lot of deer up there, Herb. Proppy! Proppy, Herb. Love proppies. Man. Oh! Balls up, Herb. Oh, got rimmed, Herb. Straight over. Hate that. I have a big hangover from drinking too much beer and get rimmed. I'm just going to fill it that, Herb, and then we're going to cook it up. Got a little story here, Herb. Herb and Fluffy found me pocket knife, eh? So we come over here, oh, would have been about 3 or 4 months ago, I reckon, eh?
Yeah, we're 2.
2 months.
2 months ago.
I can stretch the story a little bit, Herb, eh? So this pocket knife here, I got given this by my mum and dad, I think, when I was about 15, so maybe last year or something, Fluffy.
What?
Hey?
Yeah!
Yeah?
You're sick.
Nah, yeah, so it would have been about, I've had it for about 30 years most probably. 30 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. Righto, Herb. We've got a little Kahawai, we're going to cook it up. I'll just do that other one. Yeah, beautiful. Mussel boy over on a beach, so we've got a little plan what we're going to do with it. So surprise, surprise, surprise. Herb's coming. For those who have watched one of our vids, me and Fluffy come in here and the beast, and we cook something up. So if you haven't watched it, beautiful little place, little creek down here. We're gonna come back, starting to warm up, another 3 weeks daylight saving, so we might come and camp the night. Little creek down there, keep the old ice beer cold. Hey Herb, shit yeah, how you going Herb? You want some petrol? That's how you get it going Herb. Hey, that's how you get it going. Oh shit Herb. Love this shit Herb. Love this shit. Yeah. Very careful with this Herb. Very, very dangerous. Very dangerous. You've got to be experienced and you've got to do a course. Oh, Jesus Herb. Over here Herb, Herb, look at this. Herb. Herb's wraps. Hey? Yeah, hopefully it hasn't got any herbs in it. As Fluffy won't be functioning. Right, some chicken.
And some leaves.
And some leaves. Alright, you put some leaves in there. Fluffy's just having a wrap. Just a bit of flour there, Herb. Just a bit of gluten free, which I actually find better than actually just plain flour. But old Herb forgot the oil in the butter, so a bit of a balls up Herb, but we'll just have to use beer. Yeah.
You mean you forgot it?
Hey?
You mean you forgot it?
I forgot it, yeah, but I've got beer anyway, so that's all good. Don't worry Herb, look Herb!
Beer better.
Love this!
Don't you love eating flour too?
Hey?
Don't you love eating flour?
I do. Hey, for people who just don't do this, hey, you don't know what you're missing out on. You don't know what you're missing out on. Hey, sitting at home, holding hands, you're not going to get anywhere. You need to be out here doing shit like this. So one day, Herb, if someone wants to come down here, I'll bring him down here and I'll take him and I'll show him all around the sounds, and you can come and stay that weekend down here, Herb. Hey? I'll take you to a few good little spots and do a bit of fishing and stuff, Herb. What do you reckon, Herb? Good idea? Hey? I think it's a good idea too, Herb. Marinated it. Since you forgot the oil.
You mean you?
And that, Herb. And that. Beautiful. Hey?
You're gonna get drunk.
Caught on fire. Chaos.
Should be chaos, alright. So while that's cooking there, Herb, we've just got a little, I might just tell you a little story there. So what was it, 3 months ago that you kids wanted to do a YouTube channel? Mm-hmm. And I was not really keen for it, and then they convinced me to do it, and we did one, and then we actually got quite a good response, people saying that you know, keep doing it Herb, we love your stuff, you're funny, and it's just the way I am. I try not to do shit like that, but I've just done it all my life. That's what I do, and that's why I've most probably broken so many bones in my life, maybe. I don't know, Herb. So yeah, so we're just going to keep making movies because we enjoy it, and we'll see what where the journey takes us one day. And yeah, we just absolutely love it and love making people laugh and shit like that. So yeah, no, it's all good, Herb.
And who cares what other people think?
Yeah, who cares what other people think, hey? We're out there having fun, So it's all about that, isn't it, Herb? So come over to the kitchen. Well, we've got a few leaves there. Very nice. What's that one there, Herb? Hey, something wrong with that one. Hey, bit of that there. We actually forgot quite a bit of stuff. Actually, you did, Fluffy. You actually forgot quite a bit of stuff. Actually,
It was you.
Hey.
Me and JD didn't catch the thingy. You did.
Well. Oh shit, that's hot. Bit of that there. Herb.
I think we've got some meltage going on.
Oh, have two, Herb. Oh shit, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. Rightio. Not the best job I've ever done. Yep. Yeah, it's beautiful. Alright, we've got a bit of sashimi. You try a bit, Fluff?
Just tastes like soy sauce.
Does it? Yeah, I thought you were going to spit it out. Herbs go.
That's good.
Yep. Couple of bones in there, Herb.
I got no bones.
Yep, I did. Herb didn't fillet it properly. That's alright. You try a bit, Herb?
I love Kahawai sashimi.
That's
It's better than sitting on the couch holding hands, isn't it, Herb? I do say it a lot. What else would I rather do? Here's a plane.
Can I see eat it?
Hey, we're going to drop some bombs on us, Herb. A warplane or something, Herb. Anyone that's never seen the silver fern, that's the New Zealand's silver fern there, Herb. Oh, shut up! Oi, shut up, you mongrel! Just give that there a bit of a clean there, Herb. Well, what we got here, Herb, as you know that we found that mussel buoy, we're going to tie a rope onto it and we're going to take Fluffy for a spin on it. Fluffy! Fluffy! Woo! Thanks for watching. Remember, thumbs up if you want to see more, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one, Herb.